Welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Sons of the Forest with my buddy. Alright, you can unmute. I'm just gonna use that.
Hello.
I really want to sleep right now. You do know it'll be dark forever, right?
Yeah.
Whatever. Saving right here.
Huh, was that a good idea?
Don't let him jump on you. Dead. Chill out.
May as well not in the fucking Jake. Somewhere.
Yo, hold on. I'm gonna turn my TV up because it's adding a really big fucking glare. I gotta turn my camera out. Oh, right there. I didn't know you could skin a cannibal. That guy ain't even glowing or anything. Alrighty. Got the upgraded H on. Do we take the car or do we just leave it?
Probably for the light.
Because we have to go on the whole other side of this cliff.
Yeah, let's take the whip. I opened the door.
The gate's already open.
Oh.
Yeah, we'll just leave it open unless he closed it. Yeah, he closed it.
Gotta wait for it to fucking give me the... It's so annoying how you have to be a size.
Alright, now we go to the VIB fucking symbol. I was about to die.
Yeah, I noticed. I was hoping we want to enjoy another one.
Well, we did back there, but we left it behind.
Oh. I didn't even notice. Hey. Help. I'm on the water.
Heard that? Heard that screech, dude? About dodge a tree to hit a tree. We're about there.
Would they caught me?
Oh shit. We'll make it. We'll make it. Trust.
Can't see. Holy shit.
It won't turn. It don't turn when it's not on. It don't turn when it has battery. It don't turn.
Where are we going?
We're good, bro. We're actually here. Surprisingly.
Bed.
We got enough battery to make it here. Look, more duct tape.
Just enough. Well, I don't think we had enough battery. I just think we slid.
It wouldn't turn, dude. It lost power. It lost the power to turn. Alright, we're back here again.
You know what sucks? We don't got that much ammo for this.
Fuck that shotgun.
It'd be all pistol.
Not a revolver.
I do too, but I don't got it. It's up.
I do. Plus, while whoever he's
We
distracted
riding
on,
through
one of
the
us can grab
town.
bombs, you know.
Yeah, give me a second. Let me do some shit in my inventory.
Oh, you're gonna rearrange for battle?
Yes.
I actually got a decent amount of shotgun bullets, actually. Do that.
At 27
that.
slug and
Hold on,
18 buck.
I'm gonna make some sticky bombs. Okay, so that and some duct tape. A lot of coins. Where's my coins at? So the achievement collects 1,000 cash.
Yeah,
Some crazy ass achievement.
I have it.
You have it?
Yeah.
If you have it, I have it.
Alright then.
I'm gonna check what all achievements
What all
got
do you
here in
need
a
to make
second.
bombs?
You need. So.
Lyle? Already got the
He said
same
the
as that
gold will
one that
heal
I
them all,
got.
bro.
Yeah, I don't
I
think
think
it
it killed
will.
them all. I don't think they made it. You just running around with like just one piece of creepy armor unequipped.
We don't talk about that.
Why not,
I
dude?
never noticed this guy
Yo, there's a
hanging.
camera right here on the ground.
That new.
I didn't know the camera was there. I think we ran past that. Some more shotgun ammo. I guess we just ran past a whole bunch of shit.
My music loud.
Pop a med.
There's gotta
Put
be a
that
way to
one
open this.
creepy armor on.
Something.
It'll
I can
help.
just walk
I
up
got
to it,
6.
right?
You gotta, yeah.
Hold on, I'm trying to. What the fuck was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I was gonna eat.
I did it for you apparently.
No.
No, no.
We're missing something.
Buddy, you have to equip your armor
Yeah,
first.
yeah, set up, set up, set up. Oh, your armor just flatted everywhere.
Something's happening.
Something's
Nothing
happening.
happened. It what?
Stay close.
Buddy,
Yeah.
you gotta equip it first.
Yeah, shut up. My lucky equipping night vision goggles run through here.
Hell no.
Why
What
not?
is this place?
That doesn't get hella fucking bright when we get in the lava areas.
So I'm just running around with a lighter.
That's what I got.
Kill him, bro. Kill him.
So we
not
just
like
let
the
him do all the work, man.
That means we could. Go ahead and fill up on that creepy armor. Or what he's acting like he's doing some fucking parkour.
He is, man.
Yes, he is.
Are you behind me? No. You're in front of me.
Where'd that one go? Where'd that buddy?
Soon I'll be home.
Stop singing. You're gonna make it where I can't use any of this clip. Cool.
Yeah, I am too. So we good for a while.
spot at the little mini boss.
Ooh, my feet and leg. Yeah,
What about your leg, bro?
it went numb. I had to move it.
I thought there was like them little fucking little things down here. Like more on
I
the way
thought so
down here.
too.
I'm not waiting for bro.
You ain't next to me. I've been with him.
I just hope I don't get another jump scare and I jump, scream, you know?
Yeah.
No idea.
They just keep coming.
Grab the bones.
Stop.
Them bones, boy. Yeah, the roller's actually good against these guys.
Yeah, no, I pulled mine out.
I hate how long it takes to reload, but God, it's worth it.
Yeah,
That's a
that
round
will I.
three.
Level to fucking reload.
Yeah, it does take forever. Still alive? What happened here? We cleared them out.
Is it? I need an energy drink.
Okay, I like fun being delayed.
Hey, now I'm gonna have to pop one.
Hello? Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him.
How are we loading?
My gun wouldn't reload. That's a deep.
I was setting reload mode. Are you ready?
Yeah. Oh, wait, I'm gonna get knocked back. Alright. This is about to be the fight of our life.
So they go both.
Look at that. Damn.
It really is.
Damn.
Good stuff.
You still on the floor, bro? Damn! Alright, I'm walking. Got a couple bullets in so far. Just play the running game, bro.
Okay.
Who's he
Oh,
got?
always.
Who's he got? Got beat.
Big ass.
He's still alive. No, he's up to me now.
Bullshit. Hi.
No! Please don't hit me. You're gay. Get off my dick, little bro.
At least if we can give us 550 or more if we die. Well, we're losing.
I'm about to pull some little valid out. But I want to look.
Oh, fuck. Sorry. Yeah, I need to follow.
Game lagger.
How long you don't get hit, you good.
I'll play the running. Oh,
See, he died.
oh what happened?
Oh, you like me, stop.
Try not to sing so much. Don't
I'm
like
not.
sing the whole song.
That's why I don't. The parts I sing wouldn't get you banned. I don't sing enough of it.
You don't know enough of it.
I do. I know the whole song.
No, you don't.
Don't try me.
I'm trying.
But you.
You ain't gonna do shit anyways, pal.
God damn, that's a
Even
lot
if you
of
did
shit.
start singing right now, I would cut it out anyway so we got to the boss fight. Alright, cutscene.
It's time. No, 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 no!
Damn! It's all that. Calvin got hit
Yeah.
in his head. Where do you see the Golden City, man?
15,
For the 3,000th
14,
time?
14.
13,
14.
12,
Yeah.
12.
Golden City here, you guys.
I'm jumping, man. I'm
I think it
jumping.
makes you see demons.
It does look pretty cool.
It does.
I've seen this before.
Like, I remember.
I saw it in a dream.
Imagine what kind of music are there. There's no way that's like a civilization for like being human. There's no way. That's
Ain't there any cannibal down there?
there might be.
This was supposed to fix me.
I don't think it
Man,
fixed
just
it,
the
but-
head.
It's making me
See the
worse.
head hanging?
Yeah, that's how we fight. Turn your phone down.
Got my head on. I just hold it down. And then turn it down and get down.
On the 5. Kind of weird how it's
You gotta walk
my
that way.
outfits.
What did you see? What did you see? What was in the cube? What was in the...
That guy got some big hands.
He's a mutant himself, man.
Yeah.
Then he thought he was like straight out of anime. He's invisible for me. Now he's not.
Not hitting you up. Beating helicopter. Get that out of your mind. What's out? What's out? What's out?
You don't damage me, remember?
Ow. No, don't hit me.
And we
Oh, I think he
won.
died.
We did it.
Sorry, people. I'm not coming with y'all.
Yeah, me neither.
Now, why did they finally come out? Like, why not when we was
Dad,
First crash.
stranded?
you made it.
Yeah.
You're okay. Oh God, they're coming.
First of all, wasn't he on the island? How'd he
They're
leave?
getting closer. We have to leave.
I'll let you get in.
How'd the grandpa get off the
Follow
island?
me.
Quick, get in.
Let they all follow it.
What is that?
Don't follow it. We're gonna follow it.
3, 4, 5. We're
Don't go
missing
near it.
one.
We're gonna leave without you.
Yeah, leave without us. Go ahead.
No, don't.
See you guys later.
You're on your own.
This island's more funner than
Yeah.
the
Good
road.
luck.
Regular Dinger if you want to make your own setting and shit.
No. Got all of that
Bring the ladder out, man. You got a bed made up there?
I ain't even got all the way up yet.
Both is taking a sweet time off.
No, the rope didn't take me forever. And apparently I don't know what the...
Only game lag.